Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we'll show you how to turn airbag light off on BMW, guys. Stay with us and we'll show you how to do that now and what we use, and we have all the tools and everything we use in the description of the video. Thank you for watching. Okay guys, so we have the programming device. Okay, this device is the one that reads the codes. And what do we need to do? We need to go ahead and find the OBD port and connect it to the OBD port of the vehicle. Okay, somewhere there under the steering wheel. Okay, you have the OBD port. Next we need to turn our key on. Okay, make sure it's on. Where you see all the lights, okay, it's not now on all the way. Okay, like that, you have to see the dash lights on. Okay, here we have green light. Second green light, it means it has communication with the computer. Okay guys, we are going to go to diagnostics now. So we are going to, now you have two options. You can select VIN number, auto detect it. Okay, it's going to read the VIN number of the vehicle and select the vehicle on its own, but it does not always work. You have to sometimes manually put the VIN number or manually select, okay, your model. Okay, in our case, okay, it didn't work here. So, okay, what I'm going to do, I'll just select BMW. Okay, let's see where it went, right here, BMW. This one is a 2005 E46, okay, 330 Ci. So we go to 3 series, okay, right here. Next we are going to select E46, okay, 330 Ci. So that's okay, somewhere here. Okay, 330 Ci M54 convertible, that's ours. It is the USA edition. Okay, 2005 model. We confirm, yes. Okay, so next, okay, you can see battery voltage 11.99. okay, right here. So that's a good voltage. Okay, right there. We're establishing communication with the car. Okay, it doesn't have the 20 pin. Okay, and now we go to diagnostics. Okay, we're going to select control unit. We'll select body, airbag. Okay, so it's well, it's reading now. It's gonna take a few seconds. Okay, let's read the codes now and see why we got even a code. Okay, the first thing. Okay, seat backrest locking passenger and seat backrest locking driver. Okay, so we're going to go to erase codes. Okay, we confirm that we want to erase everything. Okay, and codes have been successfully erased. Perfect. Okay guys, so let's go ahead actually and start the car. Hopefully the airbag light will turn off. Okay, ours was on just because of battery replacement. Okay, you can see it did turn off. Okay, great. So that definitely, guys, fixed our problem that we had. Pretty good news. So thank you guys for watching. That's how you reset the airbag light on BMW. You have to fix the problem if you have a problem, or sometimes it could be just a weak battery that triggers the light. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.